Hai, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera to Sir Hanis. So today, I would like to present to you about my Lab 3 assignment. Before that, my name is Abdul Halim bin Abdullah, matrix numbers 261177. So, this website is about Sambalana Bistro, which is it is my favorite Western food in town. And this is the landing page. Actually, I have redesigned the landing page, the registration page, and the login page because I think I just found the design that looks more futuristic for me. Okay, so here is the floating button, which is user can log in and register. Okay, let's try to register first. Alright, so here we enter our detail, and let's me enter the detail that I have not signed up yet, and I enter the password, retype the password, and then I choose my photo for my profile picture. Let's say I choose this photo and I click register. Registration successful. Okay, and then it will lead us to the login page. So I just enter the detail that I just registered just now, and I enter the password, click on remember me, and click login successful. Yes. Alright, so here is the main page of the Sambalana Bistro main page, which is I have load the database, all of the database I have loaded, and I have make it in the list structure, as a list structure as mentioned in the lab 3 assignment. Alright, so here we can search for the data or for the product that we want based on the keyword or the key letters that we enter. Let's say we enter letter A, and it will display to us all the product that have letter A inside it. Let's say we search for letter B, it will display to us all the product that have letter B in it. Let's say we try letter Z. No, none of the product have letter Z in it. Let's try letter F. So it will display all the product with letter F in it. Okay, so let's try to add item. Okay, let's try to add item. Okay, here is the floating button. Let's go back to main page. Here is the floating button, which is user can log out, add item, see their my cart and their purchases. But for these two functions, it is not complete yet because for the my cart, for the payment, I have not linked my Biblis account with this website yet because my account have not been approved yet for after my account have been approved by Bill Please. After that, I can integrate it with this website, and for my purchase, nothing there. Okay, so let's try to add item, and let's add something, and we put it life coaching 2.0. Okay, so just put it as electronics. We put the price 5.99 and the quantity is 10. Okay, and then we submit it. Success. And then we click OK, and we can see the latest one will be at the top of the page. The latest item that we enter or the latest item that we key in will be at the top of the page. So here is the one that we just key in just now. Okay, let's try to add to cart. Success. Okay, let's try to add another product to cart. Let's take 5 product, 3 4 and 5. Okay, so after we add to cart, we can go to our floating button and click my cart, and here it is. It will display all the things that we have add to cart. This is the thing that we have added it to cart, and they also will display the total price of the item. Okay, let's say we want to decrease the number of quantity. Okay, we want to decrease the number of quantity. Automatically, they will also calculate our total price back. Okay, and then we want to delete the item that we have added to our cart. It also can. We just click at the X button, and ta-da, we have deleted, and it will update our total price. Okay, so this one is for the payment. We just enter our detail, and we enter the, what we call it, the time for the item to be picked up. And for the time, let's say we enter it before 9. We enter it at 7. It will display value must be 9 a.m. or later, because we have set it between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, let's try to 7 p.m. What happened? Value must be 6 p.m. or earlier. Okay, why we choose 6 p.m? Because we know that that is the time that people will be so packed at the store, because it is the time people finish their work, people going back to home, and that is the time that people will be packed in the store. That's why we tends to help them to try to pick it earlier, because between 6 to 8 p.m, that is what we call it, waktu kemuncak. Yes, so when we make the website, we try to avoid that time so that people can easily take or pick up their item from the store. Okay, so let's try to click pay, but of course it will not going to the payment page because I have not update the bill please account. Okay, because my bill please account have not been approved or have not been verified yet. Okay, so let's try other thing. Okay, my purchase, it have nothing to do with it, even though my cart and my purchase have not been included in the lab 3, but I just put it here because I think it may be useful in the future. And then let's go to the main page. Okay, so here is our main page, all the item that we have load from the database, and that's all. So just click log out, it will go back to our landing page. So that's all from me. Thank you, sir.